Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. So for today's vlog, I went to a Filipino restaurant which is very famous here in Garibia. And the name of the restaurant is Goldilocks. Actually, I was really upset on this day. So I just came up to the idea that I'm going to eat and I'm going to have a mukbang in Goldilocks restaurant. Ayan nga guys, so I ordered a arroz caldo and of course a pansit, which is hindi nawawala sa ating hapagkainan, and also a halo-halo. Tanyo naman guys, sobrang sarap talaga nito. Kasi yung caramelized onion talaga ang nagpasarap, at saka yung ginger guys, there's a lot of ginger there in arroz caldo. So nakikita nyo naman ako, diba? Bonggang-bongga ang bibig ko. Ayan. So, medyo malaki yung portion niya. So, it cost me around 500 fils for arroz caldo, and for the pancit bihon mixed with canton is 500 fils as well. Actually, they have a very cheap price of food. Ayan. Gusto ko nang lantakang to nung halo-halo na to kaso baka maghalo-halo din ang aking kinain. So, moving forward muna tayo dito sa arroz caldo. Ang sarap niya guys. You know, it's really good kapag mainit-init yung arroz caldo na kinakain natin, no? Talagang nakakabusog siya guys. Sobra. Bonggang-bongga talaga. So, talagang bad trip ako nitong araw na to Kaya, talagang sabi ko, kakain ako. I don't care about anyone. Kakain tayo. Ipaglalaban natin yan. Kaya, ayan ang lola mo. Nag-end up talagang gutom na gutom pa naman ako nito, guys. Ayan, sarap ng kain.